Samsung Induction Oven shows error code F0. That means its inverter control board is broken. So nothing on a cooktop is working now. And we're gonna repair it. So we removed the glass cooktop and we can see it's one of electronic components. It's burned on the inverter control board. So we're gonna replace it. Now we're gonna replace this one broken to brand new, supplied by Samsung. After short repair, we're gonna check it. Now we can see it's fixed, but I simply change one control board.